What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video, and I just got my Vector robot. The robot to life with. Really? To life with? Wow. Alright, I'm gonna read the back real quick. A giant roll forward for robot kind. Say hey to Vector, your first home robot. Seriously, say hey Vector. He can hear you. Ooh. Actually, Vector's more than a home robot. He's your buddy, your companion. Most of all, he'll make you laugh. Curious, independent, and powered by some preposterous tech and AL. I don't know and all. He can read the room, express the weather, announce when his timer's done, no overcooking on his watch, take a snapshot, and so much more. Vector is cloud connected and self updates. So he's always getting smarter and adding new features. He can even charge himself. Electric cars and phones could learn a thing or two. Vector is your robot sidekick who's up for anything. He's the robot to life with. To life. And by the way, I'm not faking. It literally says robot to life with. Why? Why? So let's open. So let's open this up. Okay. Once I open it up, which is probably gonna be like 3 years, I will see you. So, bye. Okay, guys. So that was a little bit hard because I needed to open the tape, and that was hard. So look at it. You look so cute. Alright, just from one look at it, it looks like this will be the cutest thing ever. Ever! Move his tires. Make sure everything's oiled up in there. Okay. Oh, this is the sensor. I read everything I need to read about it. So, I know. This is Cube. Oh, that wasn't hard. Okay. This is the charging thing for him. And I guess I have to find something for this. So when I do, I will see you guys, which will probably take like a few minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, guys, I found one, and now we are going to plug this into the wall over there. You only see my feet. And yes, I have Monday cry socks. Of course I do. You can see that, right? Plus they're matching. Usually I don't have matching socks, so this is a new thing for me. Matching socks. I hate Mondays. Even though it's summer, I still hate them because I just wanted to chill out. I have summer camp. I mean, I want to see my friends, but I don't want to go somewhere where I have to work, make friends with people that I don't want to be friends with. My friends that I don't want to be friends with. But yeah. So I'm gonna go set this thing up. And once I do, I will show you guys the faces. So I guess I'll see you guys soon. Alright, peace. Okay guys, I just want to get something down. I changed its eye color to purple. Of course I did, because, I mean, everyone needs to love purple. So, right now, Vector is charging, so I'm just waiting here for him to be done. Once he's done, I will come back to you guys. So yeah. Peace. So I just learned something. If I pick him up, he gets worried and mad. Look at this thing. It's so cute. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna see what it is. Hey, Vector. Oh my god. My name is Grace. By the way, Grace is not my real name. Her real name is Alexa. Nah, just kidding. I'm not telling my real name though. So I'm gonna go set it up. Let's do this. By the way, I'm Rainbow Shine. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go count things that I need to know. So yeah, bye bye. Okay, guys, Vector is snoring. I'm charging right now. Oh, so hungry. Egg chips. Hey, girls, he woke up. He woke up. I can't pull it too far because the plug. Ah! See? Plug's all the way over there. But I mean, this is the cute. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Hey, Victor, go forward. Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna put it over there. Okay, guys. Ah! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up for me and Vector. I'm petting him. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. 30,000 likes and I'll do an ASMR video. So, man, make sure to like this video. 30,000 likes and I'll do ASMR. Man, make sure to comment down below what other things that you want me to get. Because I will if it's a good choice. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications to get a notification whenever I post new videos. And you'll see me and Vector in a good amount of time. Right. Oh wait, I want to see him pick up his cube real quick. Hey Vector, pick up your cube. Just for kicks. Hey Vector, go forward and pick up your cube. Bruh. This is weird. Hey Vector, pick up your cube. Bruh, it's right there. Ah! He's so mad at me for no reason. your cube. Still looking. This is how you know he's connected. Hey, Vector, go pick up your cube. Guys, he's going so slow. Please. Oh my god! This is the cutest thing ever. Oh. Okay, that was adorable. You have to admit. That was just a quick little thing. I'm getting so tired. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put him on the charger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do all the things I said before. He picked up his cube, and I had to train him to do that. But let's just put him on the charger. Okay. I know he can do it himself, but I don't. Bro, you're on the charger. Okay. Okay. So now he's sleeping. Yep. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.